Is this the end of P Network? P Network did an insane run, but it is now going lower. Do we need to worry? Do we need to sell all our tokens, or do we need to buy more? Guys, I want to give you another honest opinion, because in my last video, as you see here, I talked about P Network. I predicted exactly that we will see a pullback. P Network goes straight away to $4. I think, to be honest, like that we can see and expect a pullback, maybe to here. Everybody was thinking like, oh my god, we go straight away to $10, $100. Everybody, even your favorite influencer is sometimes saying this nonsense. We are not going straight away to $10. It is a long journey. So I said, guys, prepare for a pullback. So when we see here is, I made a video around here, and then P Network did in the next 30-60 minutes another run, and then it broke down. It had a huge dump, and that is the moments you want to enter a project. You don't want to enter when everything is green. You want to enter when there is fear. So in case you are trading Pi Network, guys, and you want to do more on-chain projects, the thing that you can do is the following. I can give away early access to Bulex Neo. Bulex Neo is a platform where you can trade on-chain Solana projects. And this also gives you Neo Vision, Hypervision, and one more thing. It can give you a wallet tracker. It tracks all activities of smart money on chain. Guys, as you see, multiple wallets on the left side. If I click on one and I see realized profits, this guy made in total of realized profits $2.8 million. It's insane. Unrealized profits still 100k. Total revenue, so total amount of volume he did, 54 million. And you can also see his last trades. So we can see that this guy was buying 6k here, 3k there, 3k here. And you can follow these guys with Bulex Neo. There is a link inside the description which gives you early access to this platform where you can trade and follow these smart traders. I've made multiple videos. You can see this one here also, link inside the description, how you can find smart money on chain and how you can find these smart wallets also to follow them. So this platform is very useful for you as a crypto investor. Check it out, Bulex Neo, link inside the description for trading, but also for tracking smart money on chain. Super easy to use. Check out the other video, how you can use it. It is here. And also, let's continue the video of talking about Pi Network. So we observed the chart, and now, right now, when you do the higher time frame, when you zoom out, even on the 1 hour, you can see a clear pattern. First, we can see an uprun, right? We see that the chart is going higher. On the lower time frame, since we are not having that much data yet, we can see an uprun. It's like making a high, setting a low, making a high, setting a low. And that is the way you go. Like normally it's way more structured, but right now we can see that the chart is new. It's harder to predict and stuff like that. But on the lower time frame, we can see a switch. We can see that the switch of making higher highs and higher lows is now making lower highs and lower lows. And with that I mean is that you see a top here. You saw a top. You see another top, a double top, most of the time bearish. Now you're making a low here, then you're setting a new high here, which is lower than the previous one, and then another high, which is also lower, another low, another high, another low, and now probably a lower high. So we are making a move to the downside. We need to keep that in mind. And this pattern can change. I am not saying P Network cannot be bullish. I am saying we need to prepare and look at the chart. We need to look at what is happening inside the chart. The uprun is broken. The moment we switch and flip again above $2.50, that is the moment we are making again higher highs. So right now we are at $2. We are sitting here. People are entering and having an idea, hey, I want to buy more. This is an opportunity for you here, not here. Second thing is, what we want to see is that P Network is breaking above the $2.50, so the last high. We break above it with volume. We have a push above it. We retest it, maybe to here, making a higher low, and then we break above the previous high, and that is the moment the uprun will start again. So everybody who is holding P Network and think like, hey, is it over or not? Right now we can only see that the trend is broken. The uptrend is gone, but it can get back. The only thing is we want to see it above $2.50 again with volume. We see a retest, setting a new low here and then break above. But right now, it seems like that this will play out like this. We see a high, another high and high, low and high, and now we probably go like this until we break above the previous high, retest it, and then do like this. So this is something you want to see before we see a new trend, but right now we are in a downtrend. We need to be realistic. Everybody can hate, but we need to be realistic that the downtrend is in. People are in panic. People bought. A lot of new people are in this coin. Even you maybe. So if you're new into crypto and you see Pi Network, P Network, I saw the comments, guys. I saw the comments. So I want to check out the comments also with you. P to the moon, go Pi. What was the comment of one guy? It was really funny. Like, oh, here, like P network, bro. It's pronounced like P, Pi, P, Pa. It was the same. Like, let me hear your opinion, guys. Is it P network, like P, or is it Pi network? It's important, eh? For me only, it's important the price action. So guys, for right now, if you're holding Pi network, keep in mind the trend is broken, but it can continue to the upside also. But we want to make the pattern like higher highs, higher lows. So this was the video about P network. I hope you liked it. I will make more videos about the project with more updates when the team is rolling them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.